It's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Versatile, smart, and full of surprises, this Grand Caravan is the perfect get-it-done machine for any family. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Garmin integrated navigation system with voice activation, remote engine start, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Uconnect with Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Since 1967, Royal Moore has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection. Call, click, or stop in today.